Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the WHS Consultations module. This module is designed to store and manage files and documents relative to your WHS related meetings, such as meeting minutes and notes from WHS team briefings, etc. For general information about the mobile version of the system, we recommend you view the System Overview for Mobile tutorial, which is published on a dedicated YouTube channel along with all other video tutorials relating to the system. Just navigate to YouTube and enter your system name followed by System Overview for Mobile into the search field. Like all system modules, this module is accessible via the Module Navigation menu. The access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels, which are controlled in the User Management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. The icon at top left of the screen opens the main navigation menu. The home icon with the blue eye returns to the workplace homepage. And the icon to the top right of screen opens the module navigation menu. Below the module name, the main controls. In this case, the plus icon that allows creation of a new record and the export icon that exports all data from this module in CSV format. To the right are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. Below the main controls are the search and filtering tools, which are common to most modules in the system. Entering 3 or more characters into the search field starts presenting any relevant results that can be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all the results that are being returned. To clear the search results and return to the full list of records, either go back and reselect the module from the module navigation menu, or clear the contents of the search field and reselect the search icon. The arrow icon to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. Filtering controls are common to numerous modules, although the actual filters vary from module to module. The export icon below the search and filtering tools allows export of the filtered results in CSV format. Below the export icon, the next area of the list control is the list headings. The arrow in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary of each record in the list view and an extended view of each of the records in the list view. The up and down arrows within the headings allow you to sort the records in either ascending or descending order via the various criteria. When the brief summary of each record is displaying, the action icons to the right of the record open the action controls, or when the extended details of each record are displaying in the list view, the action controls are directly accessible. Otherwise, the mobile version of this module behaves the same as the desktop version of this module. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information and the tutorial for the desktop version of this module, which goes into greater detail about the functionality and controls available. The desktop tutorials appear alongside the help notes at the top of each module when viewing your workplace on a desktop computer. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.